Dŵr Cymru Welsh Water is the regulated company that provides water and sewerage services to over 3 million people living and working in Wales, as well as some adjoining parts of England. We serve 1.4 million households and businesses across our operating area. Dŵr Cymru is unique in the sector, as it is a not-for-profit company, which means that we don't pay shareholders. Instead, we invest back into our business for the benefit of our customers, the environment, and the future condition of the assets we maintain. One of our primary roles is to provide safe drinking water to our customers. We do this by operating 63 water treatment works and over 26,000 kilometres of water mains. Every day, we provide on average 850 million litres of water, enough to fill 340 Olympic-sized swimming pools. To ensure we continue to do this for our customers, we are looking to develop the Cwm Taf Water Treatment Works. This is a strategic investment project for the provision of long-term water supply resilience for Cardiff, Newport and the South East Valleys. Cwm Taf is a significant construction project and will be the largest new asset within Dŵr Cymru's water portfolio created since privatisation. The project will provide a new water treatment works within the Merthyr Tydfil area, capable of supplying an average output of 160 million litres a day and a maximum output of 225 million litres a day of safe drinking water to approximately 600,000 customers. The construction of the water treatment works and associated treatment water storage tank, combined with connection to and reconfiguration of existing networks that support the transport of both raw and treated water from our impounding reservoirs through to our customers, is presented to the market as an opportunity to design, build and finance this strategic project. Our current asset base within the area is made up of 3 existing water treatment works, located at Pont Sticyll, Llwynon and Cantref. The Cwm Taf works will replace these 3 existing works with 1 new water treatment works. The new works will prioritise robustness, reliability and operational efficiency. The project will see the diversion of raw water collected in our reservoirs located within the Brecon Beacons catchment. Dŵr Cymru has an ongoing involvement with the Brecon Beacons catchment. We refer to it as a mega catchment area, as it provides almost half of the drinking water we supply to our customers. But it's not just water that makes our beacons extraordinary. Communities, biodiversity, agriculture, forestry, and tourism all play a part in making it such an iconic landscape that provides so much for so many. For these reasons, we are actively involved in working with local communities, community groups, farmers, and tourism agencies to promote and support environmental improvements to allow the Brecon Beacons to continue to thrive and enhance its resilience for future generations. The Cwm Taf project will need to support this approach in considering how the construction activity and investment will align to our continued promotion of societal, environmental and economic benefit to the surrounding area in line with the Welsh Assembly Government's Wellbeing of Future Generations Act 2015. Dŵr Cymru is looking to make the market aware of this unique design, build and financing opportunity ahead of advertising a procurement process which is subject to regulatory approval. We welcome your interest in this scheme.